All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. We are going to talk about another issue with my OnePlus Open. Now, I am really excited about the OnePlus Open still to this day. It is a daily driver for me. I'm just kind of surprised that having a few issues. So in the prior video, and I'm not making this up, the prior video, it was my icons disappearing. The icons were disappearing and they just wouldn't stay. Well, as you can see, all the icons are still on my homepage that I initially put here. So I put these 4 here because I just got tired of putting the same icons back on. So I went ahead and put these 4 icons here, and thank goodness they are staying. Now, in the other video, I did get a software update right as that video, I was going to record that video. And I installed that software update after I did that I completed that video. So with that being said, now the new issue, folks, the new issue. And let me just double check right here, make sure same thing before. I don't want to get another software update. Nothing. Oh, what is, oh, unavailable. I saw the red, sometimes it'll say continue or resume. I was like, oh, update. But yeah, no software update looks like, and that sucks. And it won't even complete for some reason. I don't know why it's not completing, but it won't complete. That's strange. Okay, there we go. Not a big deal. It does that sometimes with the server. But what I will say is that all my other Pixels and every other devices that are supposed to be getting updates are getting updates. So this device is having battery woes. Battery woes. The battery drain is much faster than it was before the update. Now that's a horrible trade-off. I think about it. That's a horrible trade-off. I think I would rather be dealing with the disappearing icons than if I had to choose one, I definitely don't want a battery drain issue over anything else. No, I don't. I don't know what it is. The battery doesn't last very long. So right now it's in the 40s, mid 40s or whatever. I charged this device to 100% yesterday. Now the difference with the usage from yesterday to today, there wasn't any. So normally I use this device every day alongside the iPhone and the Pixel. And this one probably gets a lot of hands-on time. The other 2 phones are used for connections, like phone calls, text messages, emails, ironically enough. And this one it does all of that. Plus it does more of the social media, obviously because of this. I gave you my, yeah. But I've never had a problem with battery drain. This device was lasting me for 2 days probably, I guess. And it's still technically gonna last me for 2 days. However, I didn't use it nearly as much as I did in the day before. So what I did was I noticed the battery was draining fast. And how I noticed this is one day I came in here and I sat the phone down. I forgot the phone. It was at about 50%. I forgot the phone in here and I just grabbed my iPhone and I went to sleep. And when I came in the next day, I was pressing button. It was this black screen. So I plugged it up and lo and behold, it was dead. And I didn't think anything of it. And then, because remember, I don't charge my phones unless they just need to be charged. So, and then it happened again. This time it was at about 35% or something like that. And it was by my bedside. I went to sleep. I woke up. It was dead. I was like, what the heck? I had 35% left. Didn't use it. Definitely should have made it for 8 hours worth of sleep, Well, then I realized something's wrong. So I decided to test out the battery by charging to 100 and then just letting it sit. And lo and behold, I got strong signal for both of those, both the internet, the cell phone service and the Wi-Fi. And that's not going to drain the battery as long as those are both very strong. So I sat the phone in my office yesterday at 100%, come back in 24 hours later, and it's at 46%. So something in here, one of these applications is draining the battery. It's draining the battery. I don't know what it is, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove one that I know has to be connected all the time in order to use it, and it's the Tesla app. I can go ahead and uninstall that app and see how it goes from there. Most of the other apps, I don't really think they're pulling something like they don't regularly, because when you close the Tesla app, it tells you, hey, keep me open because I want to check your information all the time about your car. That's what it does. So I'm curious to see if that's going to help. It wasn't doing it before, though. That's the thing. I wasn't having a battery drain issue before. You see what I'm saying? With the, it's just that update came in and then boom, here is a battery drain issue. So I'm willing to take off my Tesla app for now, off of this phone, just to see, if that's going to help. But if you're having any kind of battery drain issues, please comment down below. Let me know, because I don't understand why now I'm having some battery woes. And so it prompted me to do something. So I'm going to start using my this phone again, my Surface Duo. And yes, the lovely Surface Duo still lives on. And I sat both of these phones down next to each other yesterday at 100%. And the Surface Duo is at 92%. So something is definitely wrong for sure. Something's definitely going on, and I don't know what it is. And I think I'm probably just going to have to do a reset or something, because again, this phone is at 93%. You see? So something's going on here. I might just do a factory reset. I'm not sure. I don't know. Tell me what you think I should do. Based on your experience, I already know I can clear the cache partition, and hopefully that helps. And it's got to be a rogue app somewhere. But let me know what you think I should do. I don't mind listening to your comments and your feedback. I'm all open for it. I just want to make sure I just want to avoid doing a factory reset if I can. That is something that I don't like to do. I don't like to do factory resets if I don't have to. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.